How to recover deleted TikTok videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to recover your deleted TikTok videos from your device. So in this process, all you have to do is make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. If you're using an Android device and have turned on backup features on the Google Photos, then the TikTok videos you lost may have been backed up. So you can recover by trying this following. The first thing is you have to go and open up your Google Photos app and then click the account profile in the top right hand side, and then you need to go and select the photo settings. As you do that, check whether the backup and sync option is enabled or not, and then you can follow this way to recover your TikTok videos as well. That is, launch your Google Photos on your phone, then you need to tap the menu bar from the left hand side of your screen, and then you can go to the trash icon. As you do that, you can select the video you want to recover and tap on the recover icon as well. Or else you can also get TikTok draft back from your device's gallery. So after recording a video on TikTok, you get the following options to either post it or save it as a draft. If you tap on draft button, then the video would likely be saved in your device. All you have to do is go ahead and log into your TikTok account, then go to the gallery and then go to TikTok folder on the profile page, and you should be able to see your draft video. In this way, you can recover your deleted TikTok videos. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.